Hello, my dear students. We are going to start lesson 4 of class 5 English literature, and in this chapter we are going to read about pianist Mutton. Pianist is a profession, a person who plays the piano, and we will talk about Mutton. Mutton is a pianist. He was a very good player of the piano, and we will read about him in this chapter. So let's start. Here we are about to read a short biography of the Israeli pianist Mutton Fisher, his name was Mutton Fisher. Full name was Mutton Fisher, and we are going to read about his biography. A short biography, not the whole one. It is a short story, so the short biography it is. Mutton is a talented musician who has traveled all over the world and has even performed in India. Mutton जो है एक talented musician है. He is a very good musician who has traveled all over the world for the music only, for the singing, for the piano recital only. He has gone in many parts of the country, in the like India, Canada, and other countries for the performance, and he achieved a lot of love and a lot of honor to all the other countries. उनको बहुत ही ऑनर मिला, बहुत ही इज्जत दिलाया, because he was a very talented, he is a very talented musician. Okay, we have all heard stories about the great musician geniuses. Yes, this is right, we all have heard that there are many other musicians, very good musicians. Like in our own country, India, there are a lot of musicians. Like and you must have heard like Tanshin and other other singers' name and musicians' name. Okay, so here we are going to read about not the of our country. He is of Israel. He is the performer, he is the pianist of the Israel. But after knowing the Indian music, listening the Indian music, he was so impressed by the Indian music. He told about many things about the Indian music. So we will read all these things in the latter, but let's do our chapter. The 18th century Australian composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart began playing the piano at the tender age of 4. We are talking about the Amadeus Mozart. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. He is also a pianist, and he started playing the piano. The piano is one of the most difficult musical instrument, but he started playing this piano under the age of 4. वो 4 साल की उम्र से कम में ही वो पियानो को बजाना शुरू कर दिए थे. Okay, and began composing his own little pieces of music at the age of 5. और 5 साल जैसे almost वो he started growing up after 5 years. Only after of his childhood, in his childhood, he started composing the music also. Okay, the 19th century Hungarian composer Franz Liszt began learning to play the piano at the age of 6. And the other player of the piano name is Franz Liszt. He is also a very talented pianist. these all are the example. Wolfgang is one example. Secondly, the Franz Liszt is a second example. This will be the asked in the story, in the question also, that name two pianist that is mentioned in this story. So you need to learn the name, both the name. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart is the one of the pianist, and the second is Franz Liszt is the second one. Okay, he started learning the piano at the age of 6. Okay, so we are talking about the Franz Liszt. He started, वो सीखना शुरू कर दिए पियानो वो जब 6 साल के थे तब. And he played his first public concert at the age of 11. At the age of 11 he started doing the concert. मतलब वो जाके मतलब गाना शुरू कर दिए, मतलब प्ले गाना. He was not a singer, he was a player, sorry. So he started playing the piano in the other on the other places, in the concerts where the music were being singed, the singers, at the age of 11. You can think that how this is it is very difficult that we are in at the age of 11. None of us do anything. In our country it's very rare. We are in class 5 or 4 and we do nothing. But here are some examples. In the age of 4, in the age of 11, there are some musicians. They are so great, they are so good at the piano that they started singing, started composing, they started playing the other public concert. So this is very this is the thing we should know, that the talent is we are having from the birth, but it is needed, it takes the time to know what talent we are having. Okay, this tradition of the musicians who have spent almost their whole life honing their craft has continued through the centuries, with modern musicians often having begun learning to play an instrument very, very early in life. Here here honing, here is the one word, honing. Honing means making something perfect over a period of time. So this word is used for the players, piano players here, because it took the time to be the perfect. Okay, no one comes with a perfectness. The practice makes the man perfect. You know all. So this is the thing. It took their whole life to make their playing perfect, piano playing perfect. Okay. Today also we see that the players, musical players, started learning to play instrument very, very in early life. मतलब बहुत ही कम उम्र में जो बच्चे जिनको शौक होता है, काफ़ी जगह आजकल तो स्कूल में ही from class 1 from class 2 we see that we have a lot of opportunities. We get a lot of opportunities from class 1 and 2. They started singing, learning to play the instruments, different kinds of instrument. They started learning the singings. Okay. In contrast, the Israeli pianist Matan Fisher came to his instrument relatively late. But we are talking about the Matan Fisher. He was in the comparison of the Wolfgang and the Franz Liszt. They started playing at the age of 4 and 6. He was late. Matan was late. He was 13 when he began learning to play the piano. When he started learning the piano, he was at the age of 13. Okay, he made up the lost time by making rapid progress. He worked hard for 10 years, undertaking the regiment of training and practices under 2 different teachers and mentors. Okay, it took almost 10 years to learn perfectly a piano. It took 10 years, but after 10 years he got the professional degree. He completed it very perfectly. There were the 2 teachers he was having as a mentors. The first was Mrs. Eva Malkin, while the second was Jonathan Jack, a professor at the Bachman Mehta School. Jonathan Jack was a professor at the Bachman Mehta School. Okay. Fiso mastered the piano in under 10 years. Under 10 years, he mastered. He took the degree of the master. Okay, everything is having in every field you have to study. Okay, either by practicing, by learning, by writing. So it took 10 years for doing master degree to the Mutton. For the piano, okay, which is the fit to be extremely proud of. So after taking the whole 10 years or less than 10 years, but it was almost 10 years. Okay, he achieved the required courage, skill or strength. It took the great courage, skill and strength. Okay. Fiso is a trained concert pianist. Fiso was now after 10 years was a trained. वो trained थे. He was able to know everything. Was a concert pianist. Concert is a place where the different types of music are played. Different singers come. They sing. With them. A piano recital is a performance given by the just 1 or 2 musicians. Here we will know one term, piano recital. Piano recital is the performance. It is a kind of performance that it took just 1 or 2. देखो होता क्या था कि म्यूजिक आर कोलैप्स्ड विद द सिंगिंग. जो गाने होते थे वो सिंगर्स या फिर अदर म्यूजिक के साथ एक साथ बजाए जाते थे. तो होता क्या था कि जो एक परफेक्शनिस्ट है किसी भी चीज में, इफ ही वांट टू शो हिज टैलेंट टू एनीवन, अगर वो अपना टैलेंट मान लो पियानो के ही ये थे, मटन की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, मान लो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल. ओके, डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली. या फिर तुम या मैं कोई भी, तुम चाहते हो कि अपना टैलेंट दिखाओ, बट तुम 10-15 के समूह में अगर बैठ जाते हो, देन वी कांट शो आवर टैलेंट सो at once. It will take time. Okay, but if you are going alone somewhere and you have confident, you are confident, you have that quality to show that you are different, you are perfect. So for that, the piano recital was a thing. Okay, there are only 1 or 2 musicians. Okay, 1 or 2 musicians used to play their piano and they show their talent. Okay, the piano recital as a type of a performance was first invented in the 19th century. It was first invented in the 19th century. It was the composer French Liszt. ये जो composing था फ्रेंच लिस्ट के द्वारा किया गया था. The same one you read about above, जिसके बारे में हम लोग पीछे पढ़े. Okay, who decided that if he was playing a concert, the focus out to be only on him. वो मैंने जैसा कि अभी बताया कि अगर किसी को अपना दिखाना है टैलेंट, तो वो खुद अकेला जाएगा. अपने आप को प्रूव करने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए. द वेरी सेम थिंग डिड द फ्रेंच लिस्ट. ओके, ही डिसाइडेड दैट इफ ही वॉज प्लेइंग द कंसर्ट, वो डिसाइड किए कि वो अगर कंसर्ट प्ले कर रहे हैं, ही इज प्लेइंग इन द कंसर्ट एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू फोकस आउट टू बी ओनली ऑन हिम. और वो चाहते हैं कि लोग उनकी जो प्रतिभा है, उनके अंदर जो क्वालिटी है उसको देखें. तो उस चीज के लिए पियानो रिसाइटल का वो वी कैन से दैट इट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, फर्स्टली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय हिम. तो इसीलिए उन्होंने पियानो रिसाइटल को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. ओके ओके, द टाइम इज बीइंग ओवर. वी विल read in the next video.